different swisher. Welcome to the Campbell Chronicles. Looking out my monocle. I'm dodging obstacles. I gamble like the Bellagio.
To make this grenade, you're going to need tape, scotch or duct tape. This is what the scotch one looks like. This is the duct tape one. So you need a lighter, firecracker, and 0.12 gram BBs. So you take the scotch tape or duct tape, they're both the exact same way to do it. Get some of it, lay it out. Then put some 0.12 gram BBs on it. I'm going to do more. I'm going to show you like a bunch of different airsoft grenades on different videos. This is going to be number 1. And I'm also going to make a C4. So when you're done, it should look like this. If you see some of them that look white, they are glow-in-the-dark BBs, so they are still 0.12 grams. So then you wrap it around the airsoft or the firecracker, and it should look like this, and then you're done. So let's go test it. And you just do the same thing with the duct tape one. So that's what duct tape one's a lot bigger. It has a bigger spread, but this one goes farther. Alright, here's the review. I'm going to throw it at the grenade at that stuffed animal. I'm going to use the scotch one first, and then we'll see the spread and everything like that. We'll see what it does. Alright, so you might see some of the BBs. Alright, now it's time for the duct tape one. There was bigger spread. Actually, only a couple went that direction and all that. Most of them came towards me back here. So yeah. So this is what the duct tape looks like after the explosion. So I still have one more grenade. So let's use it. Alright, there we go. That one went all the way up that wall, hit some stuff. So I would suggest using the duct tape one when somebody's inside, but use the scotch one when they're outside.